Tabernacle, baby. Practice. I know. Thank you. Wow. Yeah. You load 16 tons and what do you get? Another day older and deeper in debt. St. Peter, won't you call and take me away? 'Cause I owe my soul to the company store. Yeah, this is my third year doing this. And it's probably my last because I'm getting old. And this is hard work. There's nobody here to help me. So enjoy it while you can. Youth only comes one time. So, St. Peter, you know what you got to do.
St. Peter, don't you call me 'cause I can't go. I owe my soul to the company store.
I owe my soul to the company store. Hey, welcome to the Blue Garden. Okay, so here I got a whole truckload. I got 3 scoop out of the skid loader. And so I had to get it off the truck and start putting it all over the mango tree here. Started out there. And then make sure it had a good even spread there. And then did the hedge right here. Put it on top and then on the bottom. Then I got my bags and started filling up my bags, as you see here. So I fill up that and still had a whole bunch. Put those to the side by the strawberry and then started on the grass. This is a lot of hard work here. Put it up in piles and then with the rake, you will rake it out, smooth it out like this and make sure you got good coverage. After I did that yard, I did the little front yard here next to the strawberries. And you can see there how it's nice and covered. It was to make the green grass grow. So all this, and then eventually I'm going to get some soil samples and show you under the microscope what this compost looks like. It's really good stuff. So stay tuned for that in the next episode of the Blue Garden. Thank you. Work for a guy with only one hip, because the other hip is no good. And we got a lot done. You can see there. Still trying to load it up. Trying to pull this tarp, but it's still too heavy for me to pull. So maybe I got like about, I don't know, 2 or 3 more wagons of these. It's hard work being a gardener. Show me some love and subscribe. And even write me a comment. Tell me how I'm doing. Can appreciate the words of encouragement. All right, thank you.